Hello and welcome. In this video we will see the result of my attempt of saving this bamboo plant that I had. So this bamboo plant was a gift to me. It was gifted, and as you can see that the new leaves that are coming out of the plant, they turned out to be yellow and almost dead. So there were two stalks of this bamboo plant in this glass vase that was gifted, and both of them are not doing good. So I thought of giving it a new home and make some changes so that we can see that if I'm able to finally save this plant or not. So it came in this glass vase, and it was submerged in water as they generally come in. So that's how it had stayed for like 6 months in my house, and then it started showing these yellow leaves. So the first thing that I did was chop off these yellow dead leaves from the top part of the plant. But what I did was I left the other yellow leaves on the second stalk to see if I can record the growth. So the next thing that I'm doing is taking a jar of water and then adding some cinnamon powder to it. The cinnamon powder will act as a rooting hormone as well as a fungicide for my bamboo plant roots. So I'll give it a good mix, and then I'll take my plant out of its glass planter or the glass vase to expose the roots. So there I'm taking out my plants out of it, and as you can see it has developed a very bad root ball that is not healthy for the plant, but that's how the planter shape was, and it has turned out in the same shape. I'm trying to loosen the root a bit, but I'm not putting too much pressure or tugging it along because I don't want to damage the roots anymore. The plant is already in a very delicate condition, so I'll just keep it the way it is and loosen it as much as I could with very light hands. But then I'll just put it in the cinnamon water to soak it up for like 2 hours. Then the next part, what I did was I took a planter full of potting soil. So this is a regular potting soil, and this planter I made sure that has a drainage hole, so I'm making some space for my bamboo plant to go in. So after 2 hours I took my bamboo plants out of the cinnamon water mixture, and then I'll put it in the potting soil in this pot. I'll try to cover it from all sides with the potting soil so that it can get a firm ground to stay on. Next thing is obviously watering the plant. So I'll give a good amount of water to the plant until the water seeps out of the planter. And the next thing that I did was try to keep it in bright sunlight but away from direct sun so that it doesn't get direct light. This is my plant, guys, after 6 to 7 months from the changes that I did. As you can see, it has grown tall, and I'm happy about the progress that I did. And then I'll show you even in some like close-ups where we started with the almost dead plant and where we are now with this. So as you can see, this is the brown leaf that we had chopped off, this portion, and you can see the long stalk that has developed after we potted it in the soil and gave it a new home. So the plant is probably liking it and growing, and you can see the other yellow leaves too and the green growth just on top of it. So obviously the plant took some time to recover, and then it has started growing. So in 6 to 7 months I think this is a good growth, as it had to recover and grow too. So I think the plant did good here. So as it is growing and needs some more nutrition, I'm adding very little amount of compost in my planter, but it is not too much, just a little. And then I'm giving it some more potting soil, so that because my bamboo plant is growing tall and needs more base to hold firm on. So this is what I'll do. I'll add some more soil, pack it up good so that there are no air pockets, and then I'll water it properly again and keep it in the same area where it gets indirect sunlight, like bright light, but no direct sunlight for it to grow. So that was the video, guys. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and also consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. That would be helpful for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.